All right, so there are these red errors showing up here in VS Code. Uh, JavaScript really doesn't know what to do if I try to just throw in a regular algebraic expression or something like this, right? It doesn't know how to multiply these by default. We need to put some asterisks in there. But also, this pi thing isn't going to quite work out for us. But anytime we work with a programming language, we have some way to access math constructs. So I'm just going to type in math. Math is an object in JavaScript that has a bunch of stuff in it. And so just like document, if I type in document dot, I can see this huge list of different things that are in this document object in JavaScript. Well, I can do the same thing with math, which is also built in a JavaScript. Let me remove that for now. I'm just going to say math dot, and look at all this stuff. I can do logs or max, min. I can do powers like this instead of with the exponentation that I showed you guys a few videos ago. We can round stuff, sine, cosine, square root, tangent, truncate, all sorts of stuff, right? In here is a constant called pi. We have a few constants in here, but we have one of them is called pi, all right? And so let's just see what pi is. We'll assign this to area, and then area will get displayed right here. So really it'll just be pi, but let's watch what happens. So I'm going to type in 5, which doesn't matter, and look at that. There's pi for us right there. Okay, so now all I have to do is just say math.pi times r times 2. And that should give us a beautiful, that'd be area. Or that'd be a circumference, sorry. So pi r squared for area. So we'll go ahead and say pi r squared. So that'll go ahead and square r, and then math.pi will be multiplied by it afterwards. Okay, so let's come back over here. I'll hit refresh, and I'll say 5, and calculate, and you can see the area of a circle with a radius of 5 is 78.54.